Welcome to one and all. I am Vasanta, Department of Computer Science, Gopalswamy PU College, Mysore. Today, we will start with the second session of data file handling. Already in the first session, we explained regarding what you mean by data, information, data processing, data file handling, then which are the things here we can able to perform. Regarding that, we explained. Once again, I am to recall and then I am to continue the second session. Whereas in the first session, we explained regarding data. Data is a raw facts, figures and statistics. It is a raw material. Information is a processed data. Information is a processed data. Then when you come on data processing, here is a series of actions. It converts data into information. It's a series of action. It converts data into information. That is what data processing. Whereas when you come on data is a raw facts, figures and statistics. Whereas file is a basic storage unit in the computer system, we can say. Otherwise, we can say that it is a collection of records. Then, what do you mean by handling? What are the operations we are performing? Modifying, inserting, searching, appending, all these operations which you are performing on the data in a file is called it as data file handling. With that, we explained in the file we have two types. One is text file and one more is binary file. Text file is nothing but information here stored in the format of ASCII format. Text file andre information ನೀವು ಡೇಟಾ ಅಂತ ಏನು ಕರೀತಿರೋದು ASCII format ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟೋರ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. In text file, whereas in binary file it stores the data in the memory on which format it is present. In the same format, that is in binary format, especially in zeros and ones it will store. Whereas in text file information will stored in ASCII format. There we need end of line to terminate the line. Then with that we may require the translator in text file. When I come on binary file, here information is stored in binary format and we does not require any end of line concept here. With that we does not require any translator because information is already present in the format of binary. For the sake we does not require any translator in binary file. With that we explained regarding stream. Stream is a sequence of bytes I told you at a lower level, or we can say it's a collection of data, sequence of data. In this we explained regarding input stream as well as output stream, input operation as well as output operation. Input operation is nothing but here the information is data is transferring input operation, data sequence of bytes are transferring from input device to the main memory, that is input operation. Output operation, the information are transferring from the memory to the user with the help of output device, that is nothing but output operation. With that I told you regarding stream, input stream, output stream. Now I am to explain how exactly it will work in the pictorial format that I will show you. For example, consider this is a program. Whereas input stream antandre enanta helide, here is a sequence of bytes which is moving from input devices to the main memory. Andre ನಾವು program ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಏನು ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅದೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ with the help of input stream or we can say it as I stream ಅಂತ ಕೂಡ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. I stream or input stream. With the help of program, we are sending the data for processing purpose with the help of input stream to the main memory. That is nothing but disk. ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ವಿತ್ ದ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಕೀಬೋರ್ಡ್ ನಾವು ಡೇಟಾನ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಡೇಟಾ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ನಾವು ಕೀಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಮೂಲಕ ಟೈಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಬಟ್ ವಾಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ದ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ವಿಲ್ ಡೂ, ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಟು ರೀಡ್ ದ ಡೇಟಾ ಹಿಯರ್. ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಪರ್ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ರೀಡ್ ಆಪರೇಷನ್. ನಾವು ಟೈಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ನಾವು ಬರೀತಾ ಇರೋದು, ಬಟ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ, ಹಿಯರ್ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಪರ್ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ರೀಡ್ ಆಪರೇಷನ್. We are sending the data to the computer with the help of input stream, and here it is transferred to the disk. It is nothing but here main memory anta consider madona. Main memory. Here the system will going to read. Andre input operation alli ನಾವು ಅಂದ್ಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತೀವಿ input operation ಅಂತ ಅನ್ನುವಾಗ ಕೀಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಮೂಲಕ ನಾವು ಡೇಟಾನ ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರ್ ಕಳಿಸ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಆವಾಗ ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ನಾವು ಟೈಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ. ಟೈಪ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ನಾವು ಇದನ್ನ ರೈಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಬಟ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ doing that. The system, what exactly the system is doing? The system is reading the data. Read operation is performed. When you transfer any data with the help of program to the computer, the data will be read in the disk. And after that, it is transferred to output stream. Output stream, and the result is generated once again to the main program. Is it no? But ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರ್ ಮೂಲಕ ಅಂದರೆ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಪ್ರೊಸೆಸ್ ಆದ ನಂತರ ನಮಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಡೇಟಾ, ಅವಾಗ ನಾವು ನೋಡ್ತೀವಿ. ನಾವು ನೋಡೋದಾದ್ರೂ ಕೂಡ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ, ಹಿಯರ್ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಪರ್ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ರೈಟ್ ಆಪರೇಷನ್. ಹಿಯರ್ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಪರ್ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ರೈಟ್ ಆಪರೇಷನ್. Is it clear? Whereas with the help of program we are sending, with the help of input stream we are sending the data to the main memory, where the memory what exactly it will perform? It will perform read operation. After performing the task, it will write the result on the output screen. After performing the task, what exactly the system will do? That is in main memory, what exactly it will do? It will perform write operation. ಅಂದರೆ ನಾವು ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅದೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ರೀಡ್ ಆಪರೇಷನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ನಾವು ಟೈಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಬಟ್ ವಾಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ದ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಇಸ್ ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್? ದ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಇಸ್ ಪರ್ಫಾರ್ಮಿಂಗ್ ರೀಡ್ ಆಪರೇಷನ್. ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್, ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ಸ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್ in the output screen, there that system will perform write operation. ನಾವು ನೋಡ್ಬೋದು, ಬಟ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ ರೈಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. Write operation. How exactly here it will work? Now this I can say that here data input, data input, and here I can say data output, data output. Now is it clear? Whereas what do you mean by input stream? Here is a sequence of bytes which are moving from input device to the main memory. Input stream, input stream. Here what exactly, with the help of keyboard or mouse or monitor, we are sending the data to the computer main memory for the processing purpose. On that time the system will perform read operation. After calculation from the main memory, that's from disk, that is from system, the information is transferred to the user with the help of output stream. There here the system will perform write operation, and the result will be generated to the program. Then the program, on that program the user will take the information. Now is it clear like this? How exactly the input stream as well as output stream will work. Next we will explain the hierarchy. The hierarchy, how exactly here it will work. Under that, the first hierarchy, stream class hierarchy. Stream class hierarchy. Under that, we have under stream class hierarchy, F stream base. Under that, it is derived from IOS, input output stream. Now is it clear? And here it is also derived from I stream, IF stream as well as OF stream. IF stream as well as OF stream. IF stream as well as OF stream. And this OF stream is derived from O stream as well as F stream. Whereas when you come on IF stream, once again it is derived from I stream as well as F stream. See here? F stream base. Here it is derived from IOS. ನಾನು ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಹೇಳಿದೆ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮಲ್ಲಿ ಹೆಡರ್ ಫೈಲ್ ಇನ್ಕ್ಲೂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳುವಾಗ IO ಸ್ಟ್ರೀಮ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. IO ಸ್ಟ್ರೀಮ್ ಅನ್ನುವಾಗ ಇನ್ಪುಟ್ ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರೀಮ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಅಂದರೆ ಇನ್ಪುಟ್ ಆಪರೇಷನ್ ಆಸ್ ವೆಲ್ ಆಸ್ ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ ಆಪರೇಷನ್ಗೆ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ. ಇನ್ ದ ಸೇಮ್ ವೇ if I use it F stream, it supports both input as well as output operation also. Here F stream base is derived from IOS as well as OF stream as well as IF stream. Now is it clear? Whereas when you come on OF stream, it is derived from, take this part, output stream as well as F stream. Now is it clear? When you come on once again IF stream, here also it is derived from first I stream as well as F stream. This is regarding the stream class hierarchy, how exactly it will work. That is stream class hierarchy. Then which are the operation in a file we can able to perform? File operations. File operations. Which are the operations I can able to perform in a file? I can able to insert an element. Whichever position I want, there I can able to perform insertion. Insertion is possible here. ಅಂದರೆ ಫೈಲಲ್ಲಿ ನನಗೆ ಯಾವ ಡೇಟಾ ಬೇಕು, ಯಾವ ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇಕೋ ಆ ಜಾಗಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ಇನ್ಸರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ದೆನ್ ವಿತ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಐ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಏಬಲ್ ಟು ಪರ್ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಡಿಲೀಷನ್. I can able to perform deletion. Whichever record, whichever information, whichever data I don't want, that I can delete here on whichever position I want. Andre nanu insert ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. Insert ಮಾಡುವಾಗ if I want I can insert beginning, end or particular position, that also I can identify. Whereas in deletion also beginning, end or at a particular position we can able to delete that, as well as modify. Modify can be performed. Appending as well as searching. Searching is possible. These are the few operations in a file we can able to perform. That is insertion. I can able to insert a record on wherever I want. There I can insert. Deletion is possible. Modifying a record is possible. Appending is also possible. Searching. Searching, what do you mean by searching? Searching is a process of identifying a particular record or data in a file, where the searching may follow different types of methods, where it may be binary search, sequence search, whatever may be. Searching is also possible here. These are the few operations in the data file handling we can able to perform. Insertion, deletion, appending, modifying, searching, all those things we can able to perform. Then in this we have few operations can be performed, that is regarding how to append, how to update, how to modify, all those modes we have in this. If I want to process any data, the file has to be opened, is it no? If I want to process anything, any operation on the file, if I want to process, then file has to be opened. Opening of a file can be done in two methods. One is by constructor method and one more by using open function method. ಅಂದರೆ ನಾನು ಏನೇ ಆಪರೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಿದ್ರು ಡೇಟಾ ಫೈಲ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಲಿಂಗಲ್ಲಿ ಫೈಲ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಓಪನ್. ಫೈಲ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿ ಓಪನ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ ಟೂ ವೇ. ಒನ್ ಇಸ್ ಬೈ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ಕನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಟರ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಒನ್ ಮೋರ್ ಬೈ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ಓಪನ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಮೆಥಡ್. Now is it clear? Next, after processing, where it may be searching, modifying, updating, deletion, insertion, whatever may be, the file has to be closed. Is it no? The file can be closed with the help of close function. Open ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ಎರಡು ಮೆಥಡಲ್ಲಿ ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. One is by using constructor method and one more by using open function method. Constructor method and one more is open function method. After processing the calculation, we have to close a file with the help of close function. With the help of close function. Close function. After processing anything, after processing any functions on a file, it has to be closed with the help of close function. To perform that, stream object dot close function here to write. Open ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಎರಡು ಮೆಥಡ್ ಹೇಳ್ತೇವೆ. One is by using constructor function and one more is by using open function. After processing, it has to be closed with the help of close function. To perform that, stream object dot close function you have to write. Then whatever object, stream, object name you can write, then dot close function. Then fin dot close function. Here we are closing, where it may be input file or it may be output file, whatever may be. If it is input file, whatever object name you are given, by that name you can close both input file as well as output file. Now is it clear? Once again, to recall all these things. Whereas when you come on stream, it is a sequence of bytes. Input stream, here stream data is moving from input devices to the main memory, that is nothing but input stream. Output stream is nothing but the data is transferring from the main memory to the user. Input stream alli read agutta, write agutta. In input stream it will perform read operation, whereas in output stream there it will perform write operation. When they come on F stream base, it is derived from iOS, IF stream as well as OF stream. IF stream is derived from, it acts the base class for both I stream as well as F stream. In the same way, OF stream is also derived from I stream as well as F stream. These are the things, and which are the operations we can able to perform on this? I can able to perform inserting, whichever record I want I can able to insert, updating, appending, searching, modifying, deletion, like that. These are the few operations in a file we can able to perform. And with that, if I want to open a file, two methods I can use. One is by using open function method and one more by using constructor method. If I want to close a file after doing any work, by the function close function I can able to close, that is stream object dot close, fout dot close, fin dot close. Andre input operation agidre input stream file open madidre, then input stream object you have to write, then close function. If you have opened output stream object, then of output stream object dot close you have to write. Now is it clear for all of you? Next we will start with classes for file stream operation. Classes for file stream operations. Whereas what do you mean by this? Here we have few classes, for example IF stream. What do you mean by this IF stream class? What are the functions it inherits? IF stream anta annuvaga I banದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮೈಂಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಬೇಕು, it is input operation. IF stream, it supports for input operation. Supports input operation. It supports input operations. Then which are the functions it inherits? In IF stream it supports the function or it inherits get function, get line function, seek G function, read function, seek G function, then tell G functions. These are the functions it inherits. It mainly supports input operations. I ಬಂದ ತಕ್ಷಣ input ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಬೇಕು. It supports input operation. Input ಅಂದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? It supports only for reading purpose. Output stream ಅನ್ನುವಾಗ writing purpose. On this, it inherits few functions like get function, get line function, read function, seek G function as well as tell G function. Next, what do you mean by get function? This get function helps to input a single character. ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದು ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್ನ ಇನ್ಪುಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Only one character we can able to input. And here, what do you mean by this get line function? Already I told you, IF stream inherits all these functions. Under that, the next function is get line function. Then what do you mean by this get line function? It helps to input a list of line of characters. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದು ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್ನ ಇನ್ಪುಟ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಎ ಅಂತ ಮಾತ್ರ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. Only one character I can able to input, whereas here I can input entire line of text. ಪೂರ್ತಿ ಒಂದು ಲೈನ್ ಆಫ್ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ನಾನು ಇನ್ಪುಟ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. Input operation, mainly I can input ಅನ್ನುವಾಗ read operation. I can able to read a single character. I can able to read a list of line of characters here. Then next, read function. ನೋಡಿ ಗೆಟ್ ಅನ್ನುವಾಗ ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದು ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್ನ ಇನ್ಪುಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ಗೆಟ್ ಲೈನ್ ಅನ್ನುವಾಗ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ನ ಇನ್ಪುಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಬಟ್ ದೀಸ್ ಟು ವಿಲ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ವೆನ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಫೈಲ್. ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಫೈಲ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ನಾವು ಇದನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. Because in file I told you two types, one is text file and one more is binary file. Text file iddaga I can use get as well as getLine function. If the data, if it is present in binary format, then I have to use the read function. Here when it is in binary format. Binary format. There also I can input the characters in binary format. Input ಅನ್ನುವಾಗ read operation ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Then what do you mean by seekg? Seekg function helps to seekg. It will tell you, it will going to move the get pointer. It will move the get pointer from the beginning to a particular position. ಈ get pointer ಅನ್ನ ಅಂದ್ರೆ read ಮಾಡೋ pointer ಅನ್ನ ಏನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ, beginning ಇಂದ particular position ಗೆ move ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. It will move the get pointer from the beginning to a particular position where I want to read. Whereas telg, it will returns where exactly the get pointer is present. Where exactly the get pointer is present, it will returns the position of the get pointer. ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ get pointer ಯಾವ ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಅನ್ನೋದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳುತ್ತೆ. It will tell you where exactly the get pointer is present. Because if I want to process input operation, then the get pointer is present somewhere else. On that time I have to move the get pointer to a particular position to read the data. For the sake we need seekg pointer function and telg. It will tell you where exactly the get pointer is present. These are the function it inherits in IF stream. IF stream supports input operations in a file, and it inherits the functions get, getLine, read, seekg and telg. Get function helps to input a single character. GetLine function helps to input a list of characters, that is entire line of characters we can able to input here. And here this read function helps to input the data in binary format. Input ಅನ್ನುವಾಗ read operation. seekg functions will move the get pointer from the beginning to a particular position, and telg will tell you where exactly the get pointer is present. Now is it clear? It means that on this class you have studied regarding what do you mean by stream, input stream, output stream, what do you mean by data, information, with that how exactly it will work, what is the difference between a read and write, how to open a file, how to close a file. With that only one class I told you here, class for file stream operation. Next class I am going to continue with the remaining concept of the same chapter. Thank you for all of you.